Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious deviled eggs. We will start by gathering our simple ingredients: 6 large eggs, mayonnaise, mustard, and a few seasonings. The first crucial step is boiling your eggs perfectly for about 10 to 12 minutes to ensure a firm yolk. After boiling, immediately transfer them to an ice bath. This stops the cooking process and makes peeling much easier. This simple preparation sets the stage for a fantastic appetizer. Once your eggs are perfectly cooled, it is time to peel them gently. Take your time to avoid any damage to the whites. Next, carefully slice each egg in half lengthwise. With a small spoon, gently scoop out the vibrant yellow yolks and place them into a separate bowl. Now, take a fork and mash those yolks thoroughly until they are smooth and crumbly, ready for our creamy filling. Now for the heart of our deviled eggs, the creamy filling. To your mashed yolks, add 3 generous tablespoons of mayonnaise. For that classic tangy kick, stir in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Next, season with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a small pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Mix all these ingredients together thoroughly until you achieve a perfectly smooth and wonderfully creamy consistency. This is where the magic happens. With your creamy filling ready, it is time to assemble. You can either spoon the mixture carefully back into the hollowed-out egg white halves, or use a piping bag for a more elegant presentation. For a beautiful finish, garnish your deviled eggs with a light sprinkle of paprika or some fresh chopped chives. Finally, chill them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy these delightful, easy-to-make appetizers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.